Well, ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, it's my pleasure to request Shri Partha Chatterjee and Mr. T.V. Mohandas Pai to kindly release the directory, which will give us an insight into the various aspects of the various initiatives. The directory would go a long way towards percolating information, disseminating various initiatives. Another step forward, taking India to ESDM leadership. India Electronics and Semiconductor Association, the directory. Thank you very much for that round of applause indicating your support to all the initiatives. Thank you very much. I would now request the dignitaries to kindly take their seats. I would now once again call upon the chairman of IESA, Dr. Satya Gupta, for his address. Please welcome Dr. Satya Gupta.
On behalf of ISA team and all the ISA leaders from present and the past, I would like to welcome all of you to first IESA Vision Summit.
Wow. It's quite a lot. You're a professor.
As you have seen, this year we have put the focus on three key pillars of the ESDM industry: product innovation, global collaboration, and policy initiative. Without these, we will not be able to achieve our goal of $400 billion in coming years. So I'll start with congratulating two organizations which have made big difference into the current industry. First of all, I would like to congratulate the whole team of the Cosmic Circuits. The Cosmic Circuit is probably one of the first truly Indian company which has been acquired by Cadence as of last week, both for its IP and fabulous products. Secondly, as probably all of you know, that over past 3 to 4 years, ISA, Department of IT and Electronics, and other stakeholders are working together to chart out an agenda for ESDM industry for India. So on behalf of all of us, I would like to congratulate Department of Electronics and IT to come up with a very bold and progressive national electronic policy, and not just coming up with a policy, but couple of the major items of the policy have already been cabinet approved and notified, and which are going to make big difference to the whole ESDM industry. So on behalf of all of us, I would like to congratulate Dr. Ajay Kumar for making this happen. I'll take just a couple of minutes to kind of go over where we are in this journey, which we started in 2004, 2005. As ISA Charter expands to include all the electronics product, the value chain where the product value is recognized can be put together as an electronics product, semiconductor products as known as the fabless industry, and the fab itself. and all the other activities which we do, like software, electronics components, system design, EMS, they support into realizing these three milestones in the product development. Next is chips, which are the heart of these products. And for realizing all the semiconductor products, we need the support from EDA tools, ATMP, chip design industry, embedded software, and a couple of other things. Now, when we look back and try to measure ourselves that where we are with respect to all the initiative which we talked about in last year and year before, I would like to take a couple of minutes to talk about the different initiatives which have taken shape and going to be taking shape in next coming few months. So on the electronic product side, we always talk about the product innovation. So what we are doing about it. So I'm very happy to say that over past year, we have worked very hard on this thing. And very soon, we are going to start, we are going to announce a ESDM Innovation Center, which will provide all the required elements for innovators to go from idea to products. Secondly, for these products to make a dent in the electronics market, they have to be cost competitive. And for making these products cost competitive, first we need to understand that what basically differentiate them from the global products in terms of the cost. So IESA is starting a systematic study to look at all aspects of the cost, bill of materials, supply chain, taxes, duty, to understand where are the gaps in the cost of these domestic products vis-a-vis the global products, and address those issues working with the government and other stakeholders. Third is enabling infrastructure and ecosystem. We need help from the government in this thing, and government has done a lot of work over past 3 years on this thing with announcement of National Electronic Policy, electronic manufacturing clusters, modified SIPs. And now when these all policies go into implementation, state governments have to pick the baton and run with it. And we are very happy to say that more than 20 states have come forward where they want to build a ESDM industry in their states and take this initiative forward. On the semiconductor product side, one of the critical needs of the entrepreneurs and the startups in this area is availability of the funds, as it is a very capital intensive industry, especially in the beginning 2 to 3 years. So we are working on this front for past 3 to 4 years, and we are on the cusp of getting something out for all the entrepreneurs in the semiconductor and the fabless area, and we hope very soon there will be multiple funding opportunities available through global leaders, center and the state. Second is all the startups in the fabless need support on the EDA, IP and fab. Regarding that, we are planning to start a VLSI incubation center, which will help all the entrepreneurs with EDA tools, procurement of the IP, and getting their product manufactured. Lot of time when we talk to people, over past 25 years, I've heard that, okay, we have missed the bus. So what we feel, it's not a bus, it's a treadmill with ever increasing the speed, and you have to, whenever you are ready, you have to generate enough running speed and get on the treadmill. So over the years, more we delay, the speed of the treadmill is going to be faster and faster, and it will get more difficult to get on the whole treadmill of electronics and ESDM. With that, I welcome all of you again, and hope there will be a vigorous discussion, not just the talks about what we can all do together to take this industry forward. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Satya Gupta has outlined the various initiatives which IESA is going to take in days to come for further growth and development of the industry. Thank you very much, Dr. Satya Gupta, for your inspiring address.